Hey guys, it's B Julia, and in this video, I'll be explaining practice test number 1, calculator section, question 26. So let's get started. This question is a percentage question. Okay, so I'll start. I'll just read the question for you. Katarina is a botanist studying the production of pears by two types of pear trees. Okay. She noticed that type A trees produced 20% more pears than type B trees did. Based on Katarina's observation, if the type A trees produced 144 pears, how many pears did the type B trees produce? So, the two types of pear trees Katarina's studying is type A and type B. Simple. But we need to construct an equation out of these two. So there is a relationship between the two because we need to express type B trees in terms of type P. So we don't know the numbers except for the fact that type A trees produce 144 pairs. Okay, so type A trees, so let's just call it A, produced 20% more pairs than type B trees did. So we need to times the type B trees and add 20% more. Okay, so that's going to be 1.2. Why? Well, 20%, it's 20% out of 100%, right? So in order to express that as a decimal, it will be 0.2. Okay, but then we're not doing discounts or we're not subtracting things, we're adding things right now. So the original number of type B trees stay the same. It's just we're adding 20% trees to the type B trees. So that's why we need to take into consideration 1 because we're going to times the type B tree by 1. So the number of type B trees by 1 and adding that 20% on top. Because if we make it 0.2b, if we write 0.2b, that's only going to take the 20% out of the type B trees. Okay, and if we write it, say 0.8 trees, then we're subtracting 20% trees from type B. So that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to add the 20%. So it will be expressed like this. And fortunately, we know what the number of type A trees, which is 144. So we just replace it by that. And 1.2 times B. We want to know how many pairs type B trees produced. So that's going to be B equals 144 divided by 1.2. And we have our handy dandy calculator right here. So you just divide 1.2. 144 divided by 1.2 is 120. So B is going to be the answer. Okay,